Welcome to Tech Tips. Today we're going to talk about the Chrome Webstore and how you can add extensions to your Chrome browser to save you some time and help you out in the classroom. If you don't know about extensions, you can see them on my screen here in the top right corner. They're these little buttons that I have beside the web address bar. You can go to the web store, and the easiest way to get there is just to Google web store. You can see the address here on my screen, chrome.google.com/webstore, and you can search for extensions and themes. But today we're particularly talking about extensions. So what they do is exactly what it sounds like. They extend your browser so that it does a little extra something that it wouldn't normally be able to do. So to talk about these today, I'm going to show you 5 of my favorite ones that really help me out in the classroom. So the first one we're going to look at is called Grammarly. And so you just type in Grammarly here in the search. Yours will say add to Chrome, but I already have it, so it's going to say rate it. You can see some other ones that you might want to check out in that same category. But what Grammarly does is when you have it on your computer, it's going to show up with a little G right here at the top. And when you're typing on the internet or in an email, it's going to check the grammar for you. So when you open up an email, you'll see the little G down here at the bottom. And as you type, if you make a mistake, you can see that it underlines it. So we're going to have a grammar mistake here in just a second. So I spelled email wrong, and if I click on it, I see I have an error down here. I can click on it, and it lets me fix that to emailing. So the handy thing about Grammarly is very similar to what you would get in Google Docs when you have the spelling errors and you see them highlighted for you. But this works in emails. It works in forms that you're filling out on the internet. So you can correct your mistakes before you send that out to the world. The next extension that we're going to talk about will be especially helpful if you use Google Classroom. Up here you see an icon that looks like Google Classroom. You would find that by searching Google Classroom, just like we did Grammarly. And you see Share to Classroom. It's a little icon here on mine, and when I click on it, it opens my Google Classes. So I have my list of classes here, and I only have one class on this account. But if you have multiple classes like I do on my school account, then you would see them all listed down through here. And then you would be able to select the class that you wanted, and you could push a link to students. So for example, in my class, this is one of the websites that we have looked at recently, a National Geographic website.